2021. And during that period is all of those suspensions for, you had like an ignition interlock requirement and DUI issues. So what we're doing with cases that fall within that time period, we are not 100% certain that proper notice was sent out. So for those particular cases, we are dismissing the charges. Okay? So I just went through, I wanted to make sure because I didn't want to give you wrong information, but your suspensions are during that time frame. So I am making the decision I'm going to be dismissing this case.
Well, thank you. That really means a lot to me. I really can't express how much it does. It really, truly does.
No problem at all. I'm going to go ahead and file a motion with the court. I'm assuming that you have no objection.
No objection.
Okay, perfect. Do you have any other questions?
Will I be getting a copy of the what transpired today?
Yeah, I just realized I don't have your email. Can you give me an email and I will copy you? It's my first name, my last name, yahoo.com. So it's NICHOLAS.SAKESAN@yahoo.com. Okay, perfect. All right, I'll be sending that over shortly.
Awesome. That is really good news.
Okay, good. I'm glad.